do some more work on the UI. Had some ideas I was kicking around. I was thinking, I just didn't want to get into a fight. That's all right. Just run away. Oh. There we go. Oh. An object. Oh, that's wrong. That has to be. Where I'm calling that. We might as well make a function in that thing. In here, like. Or oh, we just do players.clear. And so let's put that in all these. Victory, I believe, needs it as well. Yeah. All of our end states, basically, but that's fine. I'm not going to get into a fight this time. I just want to pull up the GUI. So I'm thinking I'm going to refactor this setup. I think we're going to have it left aligned, and we're going to gray out previous layers. And I also want to make the top menu a vertical. I think that's going to fit better with how I have this set up. We'll see. So like that. And so we can make this a lot slimmer. Yeah. It's pretty good. 48. And then we're going to put this D-box targets money. That's all right. Put this. Can't read parent. Why is that? Is it because it's. I feel like that should work. Yeah. And so we have top, we have the cards, we have the middle. That's fine. We're going to change this to begin. And I think that'll update automatically. Just have to update. Actually, I don't think we have to change any of this. Let's see what that looks like before I start modifying it further. Yeah, nice. That looks a lot better. And then if we get more options, they'll still fit, right? Just go down here. Because it's not like the old, like NES or Super Nintendo, like the, I think they used, it was like a 4:3 aspect ratio. Here we have so much extra real estate on the sides. So I think this is going to be the way to go. Yeah. I can probably even increase the separation in these menus now. Right, just try 2 for now. We'll see what it looks like down the road. Yeah, I think that looks a lot cleaner. I don't even know if I need. That's not working out. I have to fix that. Status still works. You know, status. What I think we're gonna do is make this fit in here, and maybe it just holds 5 items. I think that works. We have to fix this. It's not like when I hit a target on target's top, that press function's not working. It's gonna be down here. Button pressed, target's top. So we're not setting that apparently. No, we are. It's because I put items. It needs to be item. There we go. So I want to try and give. Let's try and give Tofu a poison apple. So it looks like it works fine. I think what I want to do is make this a 5 row height. And then what we can do is when we're giving, we can show their inventory maybe. I think we need to change that to like give item to whom. I want to keep that highlighted too. We could just disable all the ones that aren't in use. This description window can be smaller. So we need that to show up. Go there. If we do let's try that. I think we can show the equipment too. Yeah, that's what we hmm. We can test that here. That should work. Do status. Yep. Wow, that fits like perfectly. Mm-hmm. Not crazy about that. I feel like this probably needs to be do that. Maybe we put the item name here and the quantity. And this all goes in a V box. So that cleans that up. So that's going to be not that. Targets and item options. I don't think I need that anymore. Status window, description. V-box. You go there, you go there. These go in there. And we're going to have H-box for these two. So something like that. I just have to update item options. Let me rename these. No, that's all right. Item options right here. Targets middle. It's gonna be that. Description also has to be updated. Let's give that a test. Oh, null instance. What got messed up? These all look right. Oh, it's because I got rid of the MP cost. That's from back before I was printing out the MP cost with the spell like this. I'll have to update that. It's not going through anymore. So now, yeah, it looks better. So I probably want to do is left align. Oh yeah, I wanted to print out the item and the quantity here. That's wrong. Above the H box. And I'm just using this for, we'll call it selected item. This actually needs to be could make it custom. We just do that. Change that to begin. And I think we can shrink the verticality here. Let's try that. And so we can do the same for the item options. We're getting close to what we need. Top menu, same thing. Oh, it's already 48. This is VBox. Let's try 1. And we're so close to having it. Like, probably take away some verticality on the player card. Just trying to get everything to fit nice and neat. Let's see. Yeah, these should be 48. Anyway, let's keep it consistent. And, you know, let's do a perfect square. All right, cool. Does that help us out there? No. So we could just decrease our margin. Although it's a, yeah, we do 6. What's that? That looks pretty good. And these info cards. What happened to their separation? I don't understand. With 0, they're overlapping? What? What? That's because they're a button. So you have to do this. There we go. This can go back to 2. It's tricky kind of trying to fine tune it. That looks about right. I don't know why we're getting so much there. Oh. Targets window, money window. I see. I think we're gonna put that. Do this. going to be these two. And this can go out of that. Description. Looks pretty close. Update that. To update all these now. Just changes to items. And selected item we have to add in. We'll put it right after description. That's going to be not a description window. It's going to be a control. We can give that a script. And so we'll show that when we focus on any of the item options. And then when we focus on a target's top, we just make sure that's something like that. Window.hide, that means when I delete one, money. We updated money window. Equipment status, items helper, VBox, HBox. HBox targets window, item options. Oh, here we go. Targets window. Main menu top VBox. Oh, right. So we pulled that out of there. There we go. Good. So when we're in the items, we show the money, but we don't need it elsewhere. This all looks right. I'll probably have to make this a scroll container. Let's see what this looks like. We have to make sure we're hiding that when we back out of here. So you can use it on any of them. You can give it to anyone but yourself. And you can also drop it. And so selected spot. Let's fix that. Yeah. We want to set it when we pick the item. We also need to factor in, oh, excuse me, a quantity for that. This doesn't look right anymore. Status. I think I do want to add an item bag. Maybe not. I kind of like the limited inventory space because you don't just hoard everything hoping you might need it at some point, right? Like it really encourages you to either use the item or sell it for the money and buy something else that you can use in that moment. So I think I will keep that. It's a lot better. So I need to print that out. Or instead of that, I just keep these highlighted. Spell. Alright, so we have to fix that. Forgot to check for spell. Do I need to set? I need to set the let's see if it does it automatically. I forget if I, yeah, that looks, so we can change, clean that just a little bit. So we have that. I don't know if we want that. So we can get rid of that and just keep these all highlighted. I'm gonna hold off on pushing that any further. We could also make copies of these arrows to just like leave them in place until we come back. Where am I printing that out? Here we go. Yeah, we don't need that. Also, I don't know what happened. I don't think it's supposed to print out the quantity for that. Or maybe it is. Maybe I'll put a title up here and like put the current name of the character and their bag. That'll fill in this space as well. Maybe set that up to be scrolling. Let's work on that real quick. Let's see. Options give. We go to targets middle. Whoops. And item options give. Target inventory add item. Let's see. I think it's in equipment. Equipped. So we can do player.equipped as selected item. Player.equipped. Unequip. So we have to get the slot. Equip the slot. I think that's only item, right? Item.slot. Yeah, so do equip null as selected. Alright, so we'll test that out. If I equip a short sword, if I go here, now I want to give that to Tofu. We did that, and our stats updated. Perfect. That's fine. Key items are not consumed. Did I add that yet? Let's take a look. Let's go pick up this mini metal. And let's go see if we can use. Oh, no, I did fix that. Cool. Ship. Dun, 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 dun. That could be fun, going back to the Rails, updating that. So we already working on that. Oops. Did that. Did that. Oh, I think I meant. Spell categories, that would be a good one, probably. Depends how many spells I want to get. So we can leave that alone. Stat increases. This is low priority. Already did all of that. I think I did that. Did that. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do recruiting monsters. That's just, I don't know. I have to keep the scope in check. That's why I already decided to simplify the battle backgrounds instead of making custom ones for each enemy group and each enemy cohort. I mean, it could be like something I could do if I had time at the end, but such a low priority. Yeah, that's a good one. Make magic ignore defense, and then we can add like a magic ability or a magic attribute. Stars, things that are important. Need revive check, more battle effects, fate effects. Should focus targets. Sorry. Items middle. Or show. Probably want to show, instead of that, we show how many. Let's see. Lighting. All right, so the main thing, I'm pretty good with the notes right now. We do have this other notes, which is kind of like other priorities. I already did that. Oh, casket, that would be a good one. Casket sprites, and so I'm going to move that down for things I want to try and get done in this session. And crap, what was the other thing I wanted to do? Lighting, it wasn't in here. I don't know, maybe it'll come to me. I have to run the game real quick. Oh yeah, I wanted to fix the followers because there are a few issues going on with that. Like for, oh, I didn't want to get into a fight. I have to disable danger. Do that real quick. So we have main. I think I can override danger override once we have it off. All right. See, that looks fine. See, I don't know why the one, the top follower is doing that. I have to check into that code. We also, it looks like the followers need to be able to trigger the grass. That's something I should add in my notes. And probably make grass bigger. I need okay. Fix follower. So I'm also oh, excuse me. Alright, it's this one I really want to fix. It's a minor thing, but it really bugs me. So if you look, you can look at the gap. See how that gap is formed after we start walking? I want them to be right up on them. So I don't think it makes sense to have that delay be there. I just don't like how it looks. And then they're all clamped. So something's up with, it's like there's a delay from when they start moving. Which I have to take a look at. I think that's just because we had grass running. Grass animating. So let's close out stuff that we're not actively using. And I'm gonna need movement. Let's see what the heck is going on. We don't need those. Don't need this. I'm just collapsing anything that I know is not affecting the code. So it's got to be either in here or something in the follower. The likely culprit would be this, but I don't see any delay here. So basically, I'm just looking for something that would be causing a what seems to be like a frame delay, single frame delay. Set process. I wonder, do we have to do that first? I doubt that would be the issue. The whole issue, though, might be just because we're not always processing. Because the player is. It's like, watch, if I take that code out, yeah, see, that's the issue. Because our actor, let's see, is moving, move target. And then the player always has to be processing no matter what. And so I could add a delay to that, but I'd rather just, I think, have the followers not turning that off. We could give them a var is moving. And we don't need that anymore. Should probably do this at the top. Let's get rid of this, oops, this crap. We don't need it anymore. Look like some of it was a repeat anyway. So we do is moving is false there, and I think if is moving, we do all that. Otherwise, we'll always be processing. And so we reload. Yeah, beautiful. Although they're not changing their facing. It looks like there's also a draw issue. Like the shadows are not, maybe they're not Y sorted. Yeah, the followers are not Y sorting. And I don't really want their shadows to stack, but I don't know a solution to fix that. Unless we make it a light, like some kind of mask, I don't know. Oh, you know what we can do? Just do that. Won't fix the shadows issue, but it should fix. Yeah, this looks right. Okay, now we have to figure out why facing's not working right. And it's because. Oops. Whoa. Yeah, that's right. We do have to set this after, because otherwise it's just going to equal 0. That's why I had that at the bottom. I just break something. Yeah. Alright, so we still have that issue. It looks like it's going, if I pull up that town, I think it's going to 0, 0 on that town. No, 0, 0 would be up here. Should probably fix that. $32. It's not line 32. Non-existent function-based resource. I don't get that error. I mean, do I just have to make sure it has that? So let's figure out why he's doing that. Probably not clearing the positions. Let's see all the stored positions, right? No. That's a weird bug. Position target. only printing that front follower. 16. Negative 8816. It's not getting it from any of these. Let's see if we can find that in code. No. I'd love to not have that popping up either. Base. So making a new one for each time we change the room. Okay. Current floor. Followers from party. Resize storage line following global position. Do we just need to yield twice or something? $61.36. Let's do that. Don't need that every frame. -60, 80, -16. -88. 16. Let's see if that helps. Okay. I don't understand it, but that fixes it. So I was already yielding in here and in here, right? Like, do I need check that out now. All right. Cool. Caterpillar movement is fixed. Oh, that I spoke too soon. I think I just never accounted for that. We have to call that. Let's see where we're calling it. Yeah, I think. See if that fixes it. It does not. Followers instant. Yeah, we just need the global position. All right, cool. No, it's a bat. So, I forgot to update that. Yeah, because I put it up here. So, goofy mistake. Oops. So, fixed it. Grass trigger area smaller. I think I'll save that for another time. Let's see. These are just kind of general. Let's see, fire. That's pretty good. So I'm downloading that. I'm gonna place that as a positional audio. Of course, it's taking forever. Okay, so we've got that. Let's just grab that and scheme art. Where'd it go? Fire. It's like, boom. sure we want it looping. Forward. Okay, so we have that. Then on all of our torch assets, we're going to add an audio stream player 2D, fire crackling wave, and we don't have to name it. Autoplay. I have to see if our player has a listening. It does have listening 2D. I don't know. I'm not sure about the range. So I'm going to put my headphones on and see how that goes. That is loud. Whoa. That's pretty wild. That's very, very loud too. I guess we can just go in here. And max distance. Whoa, these are really cool. Let's see what it's like with the music. Let's see. Music enabled. Cool. That's pretty nice. I'll give you guys audio. All of the music tracks are a little bit too loud by default. Here's the overworld. See how you can just barely hear the crackling, right? When you get closer. Tells me now I need a rustling on the grass. I need to keep my headphones on. Turn this back off. It's kind of cool. Let's see. Reminds me of like Phantasy Star. Let's just come up. See if rustling comes up with anything. Fabric rustling. Digital forest. Ow, my ears. Sound stamp. Is it really long? So I can maybe use that and then put it on the player. I'm not signing up for that crap. That's not what we want. Running in grass. That's pretty good. Yeah, I think walking sounds are going to be something we get going pretty soon. This will freaking download. Let's try that. Nice. That's pretty good. Come back for more. Ooh, there go my eardrums. So I think I'll download a variety of these and we'll have each tall grass tile play one at random. Download that for later. Okay, that's good. So, sounds back. Oh, I have a lot of these. I forgot I already had a bunch. So ambience, no, I just want the grass right now. I'll put the ambience in there. Let's do a new folder. About time I tried organizing these anyway. Uh-oh, we're gonna crash. I don't want to put campfire back in there anyway. So delete that. I think. Oh, that was a new one. My bad. And then this is just gonna go. That'd be good for the witch castle. So we have I don't even know if I need that anymore. Yeah, we just need that. Delete that. Alright. See if that music works. Beautiful. I have to account for followers on that cutscene. The music rocks for that. So now we need Grace. Now I love working with audio. I forgot. I always tend to forget how important it is. It's rustling. Anytime I can use rustling is it's a good day. Const rustling sounds. Right. So here we're just going to preload all of these different sounds. Just like, I wonder if I could just. It's alright. These file names kind of suck, but it's not a huge deal. Oh, why can't it detect that it's already in parentheses or quotations, whatever the hell they are? Why? Why do you hate me? Oh my gosh. Really, I'd rather turn off the autocomplete. Alright, so we have 4 different sounds. Rustling. Let's see. It's going to be pretty easy, I think. So when we collide, right, when we're animating, we're just going to do blah, 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 blah. We want to do this down here before we do that because that yields, I think, so it's going to be rustling. Sure, that's 2D. Yeah. Nope. I'll do 2D, so it's going to be rustling. And I have to set the stream before we do that. So it's going to be rustling.stream util.choose. Just like so. Easy as that. So let's go give that a whirl in town 0. And we got a crash. Audio stream MP3. What? Rustling is not getting. Oh, I never did that. Silly me. Oh. Okay, we got to turn off the looping though. It's like 1,000 of these. Alright, so I should fix that. I just have to reload now. Oh my gosh, here, I'm gonna turn on audio so you can appreciate the ambience. Ambience? Oh. ASMR, baby. They're just picking a random sound. We're varying the pitch a little bit. Animate. Pretty nice. I'm telling you, it's the little things. We get our fire crackling when we get close close to these. And I think the coup de grace, it's a fun word to say. The coup de grace is we're going to throw in an ambient layer. And we probably just want to give this an export. Do something like for now we're just gonna do it as a test before we get all fancy. Yes, and let's see. Yes, let's get this and just autoplay that. Turn it down a bit. I don't know, maybe it does need to be at full capacity, if not higher. You know what would be cool? Is if the ambience was like if we put these kind of like centered in the high grass areas, and if they were directional audio, that would be pretty neat. So I'll make a little note about that. For now, I'm going to disable it. I do have my audio on good. We need a sound effect for that popping too. I call it hero metal, mini metal. Got like 3 different names for this freaking thing. In my video audio stream player, and we need some kind of like fun coin get sound effect. Ooh, footstep sounds. I have to make a note for that too. I'll turn audio back off. Now we want like a fun. Have to hit up my archive. I think retro will be good for it. I like to go to the OGs. Let's see, anything good? Oh my gosh, just, yeah, do VLC. Ooh, yummy. like that for a default. Actually, 4 and 17. And then I might just. That's all right. Pick up coin, 4 and 17. All right, cat, get down. There you go. Okay. So 17 is going to be for that. Make sure it's not looping. All right, cool. Call it get. Ready. Just do like get.play. Or just do autoplay. Why not? And I might change it so it's timed based on this, but like we could have it maybe play a little bit later. And then so for the item add sound, I think we're going to go to main. Or we probably want like a sound auto load. Yeah. Yeah, we don't really need main handling that. But just for testing, how many times am I going to say that for today? Only pick up. So that's going to be when we get an item get, and I'm not. We'll come back to that. Just want to test that hero medal, hunter medal. Whoops. Oh, that's nice. Cool. Stop that printing. I think it's. Where am I printing that? Right there. Get rid of that. Okay. Okay, I think that's where I'll take a break. It's been real. Maybe I'll be back a little bit later if I have the energy for it. I'll make sure we're all caught up. There's a bit of a delay. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback. Always like answering comments. Just waiting until I see the screen.